We think exactly alike. I was just going to pitch that to Jim. Those points that you're making, and here's what I also like, Bernarda: the reverse motive, where the defense is actually giving a motive for why she committed suicide. Jim indicating next time no one will find me, the victim said after one of her suicide attempts. And guess what? He's claiming suicide and no one has found her, and that she had cancer and she was struggling. These are all adding up points that would support the defense's theory of the case. What do you think? We got a short period of time, Jim.
Well, absolutely. I mean, as a civil prosecutor, you always want to anticipate what the defense is going to say and disabuse that notion in your opening statement. If that wasn't done here, that's a failure by the prosecution. But again, on the flip side of the coin, she may have said 15 years ago, "You're not going to find me," but it has to be reasonable. How reasonably could she have made herself disappear in this instance? And that's something that the defense, I think, is going to have a hard time explaining. I mean, you could commit suicide by gassing yourself or overdosing on pills, but you're still going to have a body. You're not going to be able to kill yourself and then drag yourself in a toxic pond. But I do share the opinion that the defense is really step by step casting reasonable doubt by pointing in two directions: one, a potential suicide; two, what about Wes? What about the stepson? And unless there is something totally exonerating Wes here, because of course he had the ability to dispose of it, there's going to be some amount of reasonable doubt at the end of the day. I agree.
Guys,
it's very interesting.
That's it for us. Angelica Spanos is next to pick up the coverage. Please stay with us. Thank you.